Vivo S1 Prime with quad rear cameras, 4500 mAh battery launched. Price, specifications. Vivo S1 Prime has been launched in Myanmar as the latest smartphone offering from the Chinese company. Its key features include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC and a large 4,500 mAh battery. The new device is very similar to the Vivo S1 Pro that was launched in India in January, except for the downgraded selfie camera setup. The Vivo S1 Prime features quad cameras at the back placed inside a diamond-shaped camera module. The rear camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor and 3 other auxiliary sensors. Vivo S1 Prime price, availability. Vivo S1 Prime is priced at Rs 389,800, roughly 21,700 rupees, for the single 8GB plus 128GB storage model. It comes in 2 color options, Jade Black and Nebula Blue. The device is already on sale in Malaysia via Vivo online store. Shipping is set to begin from August 15th. No official announcement has yet been made by Vivo regarding its release in India or other countries. Vivo S1 Prime specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Vivo S1 Prime runs on Android 9 Pie with FunTouch OS 9.2 on top. It features a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, AMOLED display. The phone is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM. The Vivo S1 Prime has 128GB of internal storage. Speaking of optics, the Vivo S1 Prime sports a diamond-shaped quad rear camera setup that features a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide-angle f/2.2 lens, and two 2-megapixel sensors with an f/2.4 lenses for depth sensing and macro photography. For selfies, the Vivo smartphone comes with a 16-megapixel selfie sensor at the front along with an f/2.0 lens. Vivo S1 Prime has a 4,500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and USB Type-C port. The device comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Besides, the phone measures 159.25 by 75.19 by 8.68 mm and weighs 190.2 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.